Greetings, little pearls! Join the exciting Rainforest Explorer mission, where kids will embark on a thrilling adventure through the rainforest, zoo, and farm. This playful mission is packed with learning and a celebration of all your favorite animals. First, dive into the lush rainforest to meet amazing animals like koalas, jaguars, and sloths. You will learn how koalas cuddle up in trees. Let's kick off things. Get ready for the sheep adventure. There are over 1000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size and the quality of their wool. Sheep are social animals and have a strong instinct to flock together. Discovering the beauty of goat. Goats are known for being browsers, which means they prefer to eat leaves, shrubs, and vines rather than grass. However, they are quite adaptable and can eat a variety of vegetation. The secret lives of leopards. Leopards are known for their distinctive golden yellow fur covered in black spots and rosettes. They have a wide distribution and can be found in various habitats, including grassland, savannas, forests, and mountains across Africa and parts of Asia. Unleashing the furry friend dog. Dogs are known for their loyalty and affection. The hormone oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, increases in both humans and dogs when they interact positively. Unmasking the majestic stripes of tiger. It is true, tigers are considered as solitary animals, unlike the sights of multiple tigers kept in one cage in the zoos. You are less likely to spot the same age group of tigers roaming together in the wild. The tale of a mountain goat. Mountain goats are amazing climbers. They live high up in the mountains, often on steep cliffs that are very hard to reach. Mountain goats have special hooves with a soft rubbery pad underneath. Next animal feature is the horse. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 miles per hour. The thoroughbred is known for its speed and is a popular breed for horse racing. Horses have a unique dental structure. Dots of delight. Lives of ladybug. Ladybugs are voracious predators, primarily feeding on small insects like aphids, mites, and other soft-bodied pests. They are considered beneficial to agriculture. In the paw prints of pandas. Pandas are native to central China and can be found in the mountainous regions, particularly in Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces. Pandas are easily recognizable by their distinctive black and white fur. Adventures Inland, Lions Unleashed. Lions can be found in both Africa and Asia. In Asia, they are limited to the Gir Forest and National Park, whereas in Africa, they are found in scattered populations across the sub-Saharan region, as well as East. Unique ecology of hippopotamus. Hippos are herbivores. They primarily feed on grass and have been known to travel several miles at night to graze. They have large tusks and powerful jaws, making them efficient at tearing through vegetation. The fascinating realm of ant. Ants are known for their impressive navigation abilities. They can use visual cues, landmarks, and the sun's position to find their way back to the colony. Some ant species engage in agriculture. Through the eyes of bears. Bears have strong claws and teeth, while they are primarily adapted for their omnivorous diet. They can be formidable when defending themselves. Many bear species are listed as threatened or endangered due to habitat loss. Meet the alligator in action. Alligators are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is dependent on the external environment. They bask in the sun to regulate their body temperature and become more active in warmer conditions. Living into the world of hyenas. Spotted hyenas are efficient hunters and have been observed working together in groups to bring down large prey. They are also known for scavenging, often taking over kills made by other predators. The charming world of donkey. Donkeys have been domesticated for thousands of years and have been used as working animals in various cultures around the world. Donkeys communicate with each other through various vocalizations such as braying. Venomous warriors, the scorpion. Scorpions are members of the class Arachnida and are closely related to spiders, mites, and ticks. They are commonly thought to as desert dwellers. Legends of the lizard iguana. Male iguanas are known for their territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. They may engage in elaborate displays and aggressive encounters to establish dominance and assist to mates. Iguanas can live relatively long lives. The amazing journeys of reindeer. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them unique among deer species. Earth's tallest animal, giraffe. Giraffes have a massive heart, weighing around 25 pounds 11 kg. which is necessary to pump blood up their long necks to reach their brains. Their blood pressure is also unusually high. To overcome the gravitational force and reach the brain, the leopard gecko adventure begins. Leopard geckos are generally silent and they communicate through body language and pheromones rather than vocalizations. In the wild, leopard geckos primarily feed on insects and other invertebrates. Unraveling the mysteries of rain. These majestic animals are known for their impressive horns, dominant presence, and strong wild nature. Ramps belong to the family Bovidae and are most commonly found in the wild, roaming the mountains and grassland of various regions around the world. Unwrapping the tail of the cow. Cows are social animals and often form close bonds with other members of their herd. They can become stressed if they are separated from their companions. Cows communicate with each other through various vocalizations. Cows are ruminants, which means they have a four-chambered stomach and can regurgitate their food to chew it again. Thanks for tuning in and watching Rainforest Explorer Mission. Zoo Animals Adorable Farm Animals Celebration for Kids episode. Subscribe now for this Rainforest Explorer Mission. Zoo Animals and Adorable Farm Animals Celebration for Kids is a fun-filled, creative adventure where kids can learn about animals from the rainforest, zoo, and farm. Get ready for a wild celebration of cute and exciting creatures as you explore, play, and discover. More muddy fun coming soon. Be safe, young pioneers!